Hi and welcome to Emotions Vocabulary. Cool. Cool gingerbread. Say cool. Cool. Excited. Excited gingerbread. Say excited. Excited. Sad. Sad. Sad gingerbread. Say sad. Sad. Happy. Happy gingerbread. Say happy. Happy. Crying. Crying gingerbread. Say crying. Crying. Naughty. Naughty gingerbread. Say naughty. Naughty. Loafing. Loafing gingerbread. Say loafing. Loafing. Confused. Confused gingerbread. Say confused. Confused. Tired. Tired gingerbread. Say tired. Tired. Surprised. Surprised gingerbread. Say surprised. Surprised. Fearful. Fearful. Fearful gingerbread. Say fearful. Fearful. Sleeping. Sleeping gingerbread. Say sleeping. Sleeping. Confident. Confident gingerbread. Say confident. Confident. Disappointed. Disappointed gingerbread. Say disappointed. Disappointed. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Please subscribe to our channel.
Bye bye. Bye bye.